You can call up if you have a question. Y'all can call up if you have a question.
Which one?
You call in if you got a question. I don't mind.
What to do?
Yo.
Good evening, Baba G and the wife. Can I ask Zoca this question? Yesterday, because your energy through the phone is strong and it's very negative. It's like it's hateful. But my question is, when you were speaking to Dr. Bishop last night, one thing you said is that basically when you got into the house or in the circle of the wives, you stated, yes, now I'm in the gang. So therefore, do you think that it's a game being with Baba G? And if you get your chance, you won, or what?
Oh, well, when I talk in metaphors sometimes. So when I feel like I'm really aware and having to look at myself in every situation. Because when you're looking at this relationship, you have to be self-reflective. You have to apply the knowledge. Like, that's what we teach. So I feel like I'm in the game of life because that's why I'm here.
Oh, we need 3 shills to get on the 2 boxes, y'all. We almost on 2 boxes.
Okay, sweetie, as a married woman of 13 years, never say that, never refer to you wanting to be with someone as being in the game. Even if it's talking about teaching knowledge or what have you, it's still pertaining to being with Baba G. And honestly, if you two, Sheeba and is it Zoca, really want to be with Baba G, take notes from the other wives. The energy that you're putting off in the camera is strong. And if a viewer can see it, God knows how that house must feel. So on that note, Baba G, do your thing, keep your thing with your main 3 wives, and let the other ones just look and learn. Love all of you guys. Be blessed.
Okay. Make a noise. Unnecessary noise. Vibe.
Hey you guys, I have a question, and it's not directly to either one. Both of you guys can answer. But do you guys only want to be with Baba G because you see that he takes the other women out and things with them, and you guys are like just stuck at home? Is that why you guys want to be with him? Because
I've had that
it's
thought.
weird how you guys be online. Because it'd be weird how they be online talking about how they love their husband so much, and then turn around and be like they want to be with Baba G the next day. So that's just kind of weird. I don't understand that.
No, I understand that perspective. I understand how that could be perceived like that way. I don't. That's not. No, I could go out even if I was with True or whatever. It's not like that. It's more of Babaji's character, and I was with him before I was with True. So even before a lot of this was here on Bigo, I've known Babaji for 4 years. So it's not maybe
A lot of us watched you guys before Bigo. Like me, I've watched you guys before Bigo. So I've seen you with Baba G, but it's still kind of weird, especially when you see Sheeba, because you have a baby by True, and it's weird how you could just be like, today, you want to be with Baba G. So what if Baba G does some stuff that turns you off? Are you gonna want to be back with True? What's the deal?
honestly, nothing that Baba G does turns me off, and that's the reason why I do love him and want to be with him because I don't see him in the same. Like I don't see a flaw in him. I do love him a lot. He's the reason why I am here. I mean, his life. That's it. So even me being with True, it was a point in my life where I really didn't know myself. And you see me working and understanding myself now through everything that I have, gone through and stuff like that. And I didn't really know True when we had Jolly. I was only neutral for like 3 months or 4 months. So a lot of people, you know, they just seeing it from the outside perspective, but you know, this is my actual life. So I can understand how you view it, you know, thinking that, oh, it's just
It's
maybe
your actual life, but we see every moment of it. So I
not
mean,
every
we
moment, but
see
I understand
basically
what
every
you're saying.
moment of it. Only the time where you guys are in the room, you know, but if you're with Baba G, then we see every moment of it. We don't see every moment of you guys. It's because, I mean, True is not really active like Baba G is. And
Right.
same for Zoca. Like, we don't see you guys. So that's why everybody's like, it looks like you guys only want to be with him for the show, because when they're doing shit that look popping, like, i.e., now they're in Atlanta. You guys, I mean, everybody's in Atlanta now, but like, you know, they was
That, I get how you
teach
that
they
way,
own, y'all.
the case. Yeah, for me, actually, I was, you know, enjoying myself in Puerto Rico. It wasn't even like that. It wasn't.
Okay,
Like,
well, I understand you, Sheeba. Let's hear Zoka, because
okay.
that's one that everybody really want to hear, because like you and Solar almost had a baby together, and you guys have the name Zolar, and y'all was so tight and everything else. So now, yeah, we want to really hear your side, honestly. But I'm gonna get off and let someone else talk. I just kind of want to hear her perspective on why.
When I came here, I was understanding what I really came here for, a spiritual journey, even though I didn't really know myself. So I had to really go through experiences to gain that. And through me knowing who Baba G was when I first got here, and me seeing his evolution, I really got to understand a person deeply and to accept all of a being. And me in a relationship with Solar, I always felt like it was a disconnect where I couldn't connect with him, with Baba G, like I wanted to. The more I got to understand the knowledge, understand truly what I put myself into. And I never want to be with somebody because of the value of things. I will be with you because you can protect for me, provide for me, because that's what a man's supposed to do. But materialistic things, no, because I can be in a tent because I want to be like, I can be simple. I can live simply and make the most out of it. And that's the type of person I am. I'm a DIY type of person. I'm gonna take shit away from me and see what I can make out of it. And I feel like I benefit with me being with Poppy because I get to understand myself and be with myself, because I never understood that. So in a relationship with Solar, I can go deep into it and make a little cool name like Zolar and attempt to have a child when it was not even perfect. It was not meaningful and was not purposeful, because that if it was, it would have happened. If it was meant for me to see myself through a child, it would have happened. And for me to continue that relationship, it would have happened. So I can see, okay, this is something that I need to go through and see myself deeper through. But it didn't. So that's where my journey ended with him, I believe. And I have to start fresh for myself because I feel like I'm born again, and I have to be like, okay, here's a fresh slate, be with yourself. I'll take that. I'll take not being trustworthy and having to earn my trust. I'll take being in a relationship and having to learn a new way, learn how Baba G Poppy wants to be loved, because that's how, if he tells me how he wants to be loved, I'll say, okay, what do you want me to do? Because you gave me everything I needed, so I'm here to be of service. I don't give a fuck what you think. But yeah, you should definitely be with a man if he's gonna protect and provide for you, for sure. But that should not be the only reason why you're with that man. You should be with him even if he doesn't have anything.
Bishop Day.
Hey, hi, ladies.
Hi, peace, God.
Um, so, good evening, everybody, or whatever. I don't really have any direct questions for the ladies. I kind of want to chat with you for a second and just kind of like understand some things. I think my first question, just like based off of everything that I've heard so far, is like with the different sub relationships or sub associations outside of you as the chief. What are these women's primary priorities or positions as wives if it's not to serve you singularly?
Singularly?
Yeah, what was that word? What's the service?
Yeah. Okay, tell me where you're going with that.
I'm not sure. I guess it's based off of your answer. I'm not sure, to be honest with you.
Well, they do serve me on a regular basis.
No, and when I say singularly, I mean what I'm trying to understand is like, what purpose does other men serve if they're there for you primarily?
What purpose do other men serve? You talking about the other men in the camp?
Yes.
Oh, they do a lot. The men do a lot. I got a whole machine behind me. They put out music. They clip my videos up. It's a lot of stuff they do. They make sure they protected me. They put their security. Like there's a lot the men do. A lot. Whatever I need them to do.
Okay. So I guess, I mean, that wasn't really like how I was asking it. I guess I'm gonna let the other caller ask
Yeah,
first.
cause
Just give me a
you
second.
be right. You be me and you. We be rocking. I'm gonna let
Yeah, we do.
right. Lady G was good.
Hello, Baba G.
Okay.
I guess my question is for Zola and you as well.
Zolar.
Is that a name? What the Z,
Her name is Zoca.
the one that's sitting right behind you, Zoka. I'm sorry. I was also listening last night when Dr. Bishop was on, and the statement was made that her and the young man went out and slept together.
Hmm.
Did that shock you? And if she's there for you, why did she choose to go and sleep with him while she said she was true to you?
Okay, so me and Zoca's bond is not very deep, so it
Yes,
didn't
sir.
affect me like that because our bond is not that close. We're not that deep. Her and Solar's bond is deep. Me and Zoca's bond is not deep.
But she is your wife.
She is my wife, but
I didn't
we don't have a
understand that part. That
we don't have a deep bond.
uh-huh.
So it didn't
But
affect
you
me like that because I already knew she was in love with him.
okay. Okay, I
Now,
understand.
if Malia
Thank
fucks
you.
somebody, then this is gonna be a problem. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
It's gonna be a big
I
problem.
love Malia and I hope she's the queen. Is she the queen?
She doesn't want to be the queen.
Oh, okay.
That's a whole
Well,
nother.
thank
That's a
you.
whole nother topic.
Okay. Well,
We haven't
thank you
got
for
to
your
that yet.
time.
Appreciate it.
So, um, so I guess what I'm hearing you say, and correct me if I'm wrong, I'll look at this as question, answer, support. What I'm hearing you say is, this is a well-oiled machine, and each person serves a different purpose to make the machine as a whole
Right.
go.
That's exactly what it is. Everybody knows their purpose. Shit works. It just
Okay,
works.
go ahead. Go ahead, Breeze. Go ahead. I'll come back. Go ahead, Breeze.
I'm on
Breeze.
Breathe. His name is Breathe. Born Breathe. From Breathe.
Okay, so in lieu of that,
Hmm.
in lieu of what you and I just came to understand,
Hmm.
it takes me back to my initial statement or my initial question just differently. Okay. So let's like hypothetically look at you as, let's say, the engine of the vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Um, of course it takes, like, spark plugs, oil, gas, brake pads, all of these different things. But I guess my thing is, all of these different parts are to supplement the engine to move and to run. So I wonder, where does the specificities of each relationship come in terms of the roles that they play?
Sade, wait a minute. Put some Bishop in it. Wait a minute. Put some Bishop in it. Come on, wait a minute. Put some Bishop in it, everybody. 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 I said, wait a minute. Put some Bishop in it. Bishop in it. Bishop in it. Huh. Come on. Come on. Wait with it. You ain't feel it. Put some Bishop in it. Cornbread, Thanksgiving coming up. Put some back. Hold on. Wait a minute.
I love Bigo. Shit, man.
Hi,
Hey, what's going on?
I'm Bangladesh.
Habadashi.
Oh, hey.
Hey, what's up, Joe?
Okay. Hey, how you doing? Hey, Sheeba, Zoca, ladies. Um, I just wanted to ask one question. I don't know, so it is a question. Um, would it be that the environment is different if you was with True than it is if you with Baba G? Would it be like you like the environment better, like with him?
The environment, like,
Yeah, like you know how sometimes y'all say y'all be in tents and stuff, and that's a nice house. You know what I'm saying? If you would have to leave that house to go to a tent, I don't think I would want to do that either.
I mean,
That's what I'm saying.
that's
I'm
that is
asking because
not.
I don't know.
Like being in the village, like it was less than. I see that. That's why I came to live.
Huh?
I came to live here because we was connected to the
Yo,
source.
we was staying in tents when I got here. We was there. Like we was. That's our lifestyle.
Like simple.
No, that's why I was asking because I didn't know. That's why I just asked the question because I didn't
No,
know.
I get it. I get it. No,
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Because if it was me, I would choose a nice house like that over a 10 any day. You know what I'm saying? But I know that's y'all's knowledge. So
So you
y'all
would be
probably
with
don't
me?
mind.
You would be with me just to be in the house?
What'd you say?
So you would be with me just to be in the house?
No. No, I was asking her because she seemed like she was like kind of confused today or hurt, in a kind of way.
Hey, y'all
That's the
run
only
me up,
reason.
man. I'm almost on 2 boxes. I need 3 shields.
Cause she
Y'all
does
run me
love
up,
you
man.
too. All of them love you. All of them do. I mean, you have that you know what I'm saying, that aura over everybody and shit.
Yeah, but
You
you
know what I'm
said you
saying?
would be with me just to be in the house.
I didn't say I would.
So
No, I
you gonna let me?
didn't.
You gonna swallow my cum and let me
Oh
fuck you
no,
in the
I said
ass
I
just to be
would
in the house?
choose. I said I would choose a house over a tent. But see, I'm
You gonna
not
let me?
into
You
the
gonna let me?
knowledge
You gonna
like
let me
y'all.
fuck you in
So
the ass and
it's
swallow my cum just to be in the house? Or rather a tent?
what? No, I'm saying they're into the knowledge and all that with you,
Yeah,
right?
that's what I'm saying. Or
Okay,
you
but
would
I'm
rather
saying
be?
a person who's not into the knowledge with you and stuff would prefer a house. Then I
She said,
get bit up all the
"Baba."
time if I'm outside.
I'm dead. That bitch said yes, Baba.
I get bit up. I'll come out in the morning. I'll wake up with all kind of bites on me and shit. So I don't think I would like it. You know what I'm
I'm
saying?
dead. Bitch in the chat
Keep it
said,
one.
yes, Baba. That's exactly what. Yes. The bitch in
I don't
the
want to
chat.
be spam nigga no more. Please let me in the house. Y'all crazy.
Chat
And ask
come.
everybody,
She in the
would you
house.
rather live in a tent or a house? Say if you rather live in a tent, say one. If you rather live in a house, say two. And see
Tell
what
her.
you get.
Tell her not.
That's reverse
But
psychology.
that's the ones who don't have the knowledge, right?
Oh, you think because you sleep in the tent, you got the
See, they rather live in the house. I don't like bugs. I be scared of outside.
There's bugs in the house. Well, half y'all got bugs in your house.
No, I don't.
That's steady.
Well, I don't like bugs. Nigga got roaches crawling in that fucking.
Okay, all types
Crawling
of
out
bed
your
Don't see
bugs
no
and shit.
roaches crawling on my. You see any roaches on my wall? Then wouldn't that be fun if I said
What's
that
that?
one crawl
What's
to
that on
crawl?
your wall right there?
Oh. Look up.
What's that on the
Nothing.
wall? You do got something on your wall
Ain't
right there.
nothing on my wall.
No, it's right there.
Where?
Look,
It's right there.
look at it. It's something on your wall.
No,
Look.
this the blanket.
Oh, it's the blanket. Oh, it's the blanket. Thank you for that.
Girl, babe, get your little clout chaser, ugly ass, tranny ass down.
Don't even feed that.
Okay, bye. Wow. Alchemy.
Hello,
Yo, what up?
can I sing to you?
I cannot hear you.
Huh? Baby, I can't hear you, baby. You gotta speak up a little bit.
Okay.
Sweetheart, I can't hear you. Hello? Oh, now you want to be in the camera.
Um,
Picky up.
Welcome back, Breeze. Y'all people crazy.
You gonna call her?
Hello,
What's up, Strawberry?
what's up, everybody? Something she did today. I need you to address what you did today. Girl, you were talking to a straight man for 2 hours on your thing, and you had him confused and fooled. And the way that was just wrong.
What else am I gonna talk to?
What else you? At the same time, you knew what you were doing. That was wrong. For 2 hours, that man was attracted to you. He was offering
He's
you
still
things.
attracted to me. You want to see the text messages?
Oh, but does he know exactly who you are?
Girl, when is your pH balance on the right scale?
But does he know who you are? Does he know who he's talking to?
But do you have
You're fooling
vaginitis?
people. You're fooling people. That's not cool.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought.
It's not. It's
That's
not.
what I
Be
thought,
yourself.
girl.
Own your
That's
truth.
what I,
Don't sit
that's what I
here
thought, girl. Listen,
being a
don't worry
fake
about my
bitch.
unmentionables if I'm not worried about yours, okay?
No,
What
the
you
way
can do,
you
no,
treat that man
ma'am.
today,
You worry about that yeast in between your legs, okay? Worry about that bakery.
my
Worry
legs.
about that yeast factory between your legs. And don't worry about what's going on with me. Don't worry
Where
about
did
who's
that
talking
come
to me
from?
or who's entertaining me
That
or
don't
even
even make
important things.
sense. You
Don't
know,
do
but I
that.
know you're
It's
wrong.
in such for a taste, strawberry.
Yeah, it's all good. You wish you had the strawberry, and you wrong, bitch.
what?
Can you unmute me down here? Could you just please unmute me?
Hey, Yanni.
Be
Hey,
careful with.
babe, girl, you looking fine, pretty as ever, girl. Me
I
love you.
appreciate you, love, as
Yeah.
always.
Now, Nature Boy, could you unmute me? Because
I
I don't know
did.
what's going on in you.
I
Thank
did.
you. All right.
I hope you do better next time. Oh my goodness, my neck, my back. Do I like your song? What song?
fool of yourself. If you just go to Google right now, you will in fact know that what you just wrote in the comment section is not what the definition of the word gender is. But again, you're coming from a whole book or website created by a white man that has already colonized your ancestors. Stop it. Okay? Like,
Okay.
stop it.
Okay. This shit making me feel different. Huh.
Okay,
Yeah.
period, locks goddess. But the thing is like, what make y'all like? I don't understand why y'all think that I have to.
Rub me
What
up,
makes
boy.
we're
Hey,
first of all, people
Sade,
like
can
myself.
you, Sade, just put us on 2 boxes, please, and I'll give it back to you.
My bingo wallet empty.
Oh, okay. You can say all that.
You gonna get it. You gonna get it.
Hey, look, y'all put me on 2 boxes. Rosa Sparks. Appreciate it, Tasha. Almost on 2 boxes, love.
While they do that, can I maybe play the song dedications?
That game's over. My neck is hurting. And I'm feeling drained now. So all I needed was people to come on and just drain me. I like your nails.
Thank you. Thank you very much. They're bones.
Let's see. Ready for Halloween.
With the red bottoms.
Hmm. Run it up, y'all. Run it up. We almost on 2 boxes. Let's do this.
Okay, everybody gonna sit back. Okay, so what I was about to say was, they Sade, we were
Hey.
talking about the how it's we're colonized and all this other stuff, but when you really think about it, anybody who is of trans experience is colonized because that wasn't something that was back in the day. That's something that what y'all want to call the white man, the white system that's colonizing. They made that. They made them surgeries, baby. They made them implants. So before you try to say, oh, you guys are, basically brainwashed because of their beliefs, but the things that you do is them that brainwashed too.
Bless your heart, young lady.
No, bless your. I am a young lady. Yeah, I am a young lady. I am.
Hey, come through, lovely. We almost on
But
two
bless
boxes,
yours too, because your
baby.
is trying to tell somebody that they following a
Let's
system
go,
that you don't
baby.
like, but yet you're still following a system that
Run
you
it up, run it
supposedly
up,
don't
run it
like
up, run it
either.
up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up.
Right.
Passion, I appreciate you, lovely. Lovely golden lady.
Can you hear me? Can y'all hear me?
Kit, what up, Kit? Yeah, we can
Oh,
hear
can
you.
y'all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Uh, what you cook? What your wife cooks for you today, Nature Boy?
I just had salad. I'm doing a 30-day fast. Salad, fruit, and nuts and water.
I was just looking at your post when y'all had that cookout. Ooh, this food do look so good.
I know. We was cooking now. It was crazy. I had too much, but I've been overdoing it. I gained some weight. I'm trying to lose it, and I'm going on a 30-day fast, clean my blood, clean my system out. So
Drink some cranberry juice and
it's a
alkaline
cranberry
water.
juice. I'm gonna do that too. And the herbs and stuff. But look, I'm 2 days in. Come through, sunshine. Appreciate it, baby.
I said y'all had a lot, so y'all had all the iron on and everything,
Yeah, we two
even
shows
the
away. Two
macaroni and
shows away.
cheese.
We 2 shows
How the
away.
macaroni and cheese was.
Hell yeah. Oh, I'm too damn handsome. Thank you, Red Zone.
Isn't he?
Appreciate you, baby. Oh, thank you. Oh, Devon is
Right.
calling up. Now, this is my crush right here. This is one of my crushes. Devon, baby, 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 come here. Come here, girl. Call back up. I don't know what happened to her. Oh my God, I gotta go to sleep. I feel like my body craving for some food. Yo, yo. Ah. Mm-mm. This joint hurt. This joint hurting, bro. Y'all put us on 2 boxes. We almost there. Man, I hope this shit don't be no abscess. Remember I had that other abscess?
It's in your mouth.
No, it's not in my mouth. It's on my neck. Like I got like punctured on my
Up
neck.
on where? Oh,
Huh?
okay. I said, where on your neck?
I was playing basketball today. I got punctured on my neck. Appreciate it, lady. So you not
You
straight?
try drain? Have you tried draining it yourself?
No. I don't have an abscess, baby. I have my neck.
Oh, got
My somebody jigged me in my neck when I was playing basketball and it cut my neck, but now it's sore. So it's like,
Oh, okay, got
but I had an abscess
mm-hmm.
before. I got it taken out. So y'all ain't gonna put us on 2 boxes for real? We're gonna sit here with 2. Really, guys? Really? What's up? You just happy as a motherfucker, ain't you? Let me get one of those. Appreciate it, lady.
Yeah, they like sour.
They're sour.
Yeah, some of them, like when you get to certain ones, it's like.
Baby Ja said 2. Say 2 boxes. Say 2. Say 2. Nah, I see what you're talking about. That ain't right. There. Okay. We getting to the bottom of the batch. Shit getting bad. Hey, Nate Boy, did you go to a public school? If so, what was your favorite moment? Oh, man. Come through. Yeah, I hope they die. And I hope they burn in hell. Come through. We almost there, y'all. We got 1 box to go. Uh-oh. 500. 500. 500 beans. Oh, my
Not
God. I'm
really.
tired, yo. Oh, say grit. Bop, bop, do bop, 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 boom. Bang. Wop, wop, do bop, wop, wop, bang. Oh, my God. So how do y'all feel
Mm-hmm.
about what I said about y'all?
It was pretty on point.
That was on point.
Accurate.
It's accurate.
I don't give a fuck. What was you say before?
Oh, you ready to play around. You got a lot of energy. You went to sleep.
Go to sleep. I hear nap time. I ain't not nap time. Take it down.
confused a little bit.
Eat it.
Clarity.
What I say?
I see where you're coming from. So I just need to know like my boundaries.
When you say your boundaries, what you mean?
Cause you said like don't touch you.
No, I ain't never tell you not to touch me. Who said that? Did you hear that?
No, yeah, you probably didn't say that's how I perceive it.
Oh, I ain't never said don't touch me. Touch me. Make sure you touch me. Cause you don't ever know.
Way to go.
Touch me. You can't understand what I meant to by saying what I said. You heard it in a different way.
I get what you said. Like,
I like when you touch me. Touch my foot. Damn, your hand's cold.
my fingers and toes be cold.
You standing right by the window. But I know you young. I know you young. Marie, what's up?
Give me that. No.
Reverse.
Give me. You gonna hurt yourself. This is gonna be a stick in your hand.
Why do I always ask, how do you guys feel?
I'm judging myself heavy, but I could just be able to see
What are you judging yourself about?
my family,
Zoca, you're 23 years old. Zoca, you're 23.
Still, but I made mistakes.
So you can make mistakes. You're 23. Y'all being hard on these girls. Yo, damn, I'm still gonna forgive you. Except for Malia, I'm gonna kill your ass. You fucking up. Play with me if you want.
No, Sheeba, I'm not playing with you.
Me and you, see, you guys are a little different.
No, you not that
I'm
young.
20 goddamn.
You not.
That is not no.
No, you.
Right where?
You fresh out.
Right where?
You fresh out pussy too. You thought what you ate? You thought
I'm just.
All of y'all.
Yeah.
All of y'all.
Yeah.
I don't got a wife that you got here too.
No, I didn't.
You gave.
I didn't.
What?
I say I received it. I never gave it.
You never sucked her?
I told
Oh, you can't show.
No.
I did not know that.
no.
You can't, baby. You gonna get.
Pure heart is like, what the fuck, man?
Stop overthinking shit.
Because I felt that in the spirit.
Stop overthinking shit. Y'all stay overthinking shit, B.
Stop thinking. Yeah, because I'd be like, oh, man. He don't want you. Sit down. I need
You
to
too
moan.
hype, bruh.
I need to moan.
You can't do be.
That ain't true.
And then my feelings can't get hurt really because I'm like, it's the honest truth. It's like real shit.
I gotta just take it like a G and move forward. Is that hell?
I know.
Forward.
Take one day at a time. That's all.
Yeah. All you gotta do is keep going.
Okay.
Wake up. Keep that shit moving. Wake up. Suck a toe. That's it. Suck a toe or two. Tuck a toe or two. Serve a night. Steady your heart. On my way through the dark with my craft.
That's really real over the top.
I think you gotta be in the moment. Because it's gonna be a moment where you can, dive into that. And it's gonna be a moment where you gotta be in the moment. Like you gotta be in with the interaction and stuff like that. That's what I'm learning. Cause like I easily go into.
It's not a devil word.
Ooh.
The motherfucker. Made a brand new pack.
What? They went and got some donuts.
Caught him with it in the hand.
They
Got some donuts.
didn't get us a pack of donuts.
Now hold on now. Motherfuckers done got a whole pack of maple donuts. Throwing that motherfucker. Nigga like, woman.
No!
I said, now,
They ask, it's the worst.
now you got to be the
What
devil.
you do with that?
Bruh.
I love that God is a
I said,
devil.
you got to be the motherfucking devil.
Because it's
God.
your opposition.
Motherfucker gonna ask me, you want one? Oh, that's right, you fast.
I'm up.
I said, now look.
Man.
I said, look, if I said, and I said, Now, you said it. We need to gain weight. You need to lose it.
Stop.
What about, wait, what about fasting? I was doing very good during boot camp and all that.
I know what I'm saying. I'm like, when I was
very
Thank
I
you.
was not saying anything, and I was like, cool. So that's like weird, because I'm like, I wasn't even thinking about this. Like, boot camp was like, do your part, because I know as much. They was, I was in my own.
Thank you, Sarah.
And I was feeling go getting weight. I was like, man, I'm not even thinking about that. So that's why I'm like, I didn't even know these emotions was there, because I was like, yeah, like, I wasn't even thinking about it at all. Like, I was, but see, in my mind, I'm thinking, yeah, in my mind, I'm thinking, oh, I'm keeping knowledge.
Y'all were in the knowledge, but a part of you tucked it away, didn't want to deal with it, so you went logical.
Yeah, it's like I went totally logical. Like I feel like that's comfort for me, because my moon is in Virgo. So like being logical and doing what I need to do is like what I want. It's like it's innately what I want to do. But it's like the 12th house is there too, because it's in Pisces. But now, it's like unconscious things. Yeah. And that's why I don't be like when you ask me, I'm like, I'm cool, because I'm thinking about what I need to be doing, you know what I'm saying? Like, being of service, what I want to do in the month. Yeah, like, I'm thinking about, what's next thing we got to, okay, Saturday. I'm not thinking about doing we're going to go into this. Like, come on, sit down. Out of here with that. That's how I was doing mine. I was like, fuck out of here with that. That's what I was like, fuck out of here with that. I don't even want to talk to you. But I get into it because I'm a Cancer moon. We gonna go into some emotions. We gonna talk. We gonna go there. Okay. You want me to talk? I feel like what it is that we both feel it so much. We actually do have to talk more than probably anybody else, because we feel it so much, and then both of our midheavens in Gemini. So it's like we supposed to be talking about whatever, and it's gonna feel like annoying and weird, but I think that we just have to continue to like constantly do it, and it's probably just to talk to each other. Yeah, just but then we're gonna have to like bring certain things to the surface, like all the time. Energy supposed to bring things to the surface. Yeah, like all the time, because that's what I know. It's like it said it with that. Wait. At Chiron, whatever, the 12th house, and it was saying that, like, I pick up on like, I don't like that I see things, and I don't like that. Instead of saying, I just be like, trying to push that away, because I'm trying to deal with my own here now, but I'm supposed to be bringing those things up, like, being like, what was that? So, that's so true. I can see I thought I was doing that. I think that's why that relationship went deeper for me, because I was doing that. If I saw something, I'm saying something. I'm not going to let it just sit. I'm breaking this up. So I felt like it was creating more. So I could be here with that. Yeah. Here we go. So I could understand that. And then it's like with my misdirected energy. So if I don't do that, then it's gonna be like, that's why we be like, oh, you communicate aggressively with me, you, and like, why you doing that? Because I communicate with you. Stop it, you don't have to say it like that. Yeah. Which one? I know I don't. I know that because when I saw it in you, that's always been something that I've known since I came. Right, that's the thing dark skinned girls were known for, right? I was like, why dark skinned girls sound weird? But I'm really like, I'm really nice.
Y'all got so much opinions. Y'all don't even know these girls by their name. Y'all got so much opinion. Y'all just be talking just to talk.
Oh, you came in. I don't even know what they saying. Like, so I just heard someone say, right.
Right. They don't even know y'all names. They don't even they can't even pick y'all out in the lineup. Y'all.
Yes. They really just seeing themselves, and they just be projecting their shit on. So it's like, okay.
Mm-hmm.
And they just walk on me. I'm like, I don't have to do all that. Look. Tell me something about me so I can see if that's true. If not, I understand.
Right? Tell me about me.
It's sometimes it's valuable because you can read energy. Energy doesn't lie, and I get that. I have to work on being more receptive to that.
Fair use disclaimer. Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, education, and research. Fair use is permitted by copyright statute.